Hey, what's poppin' everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming right back at you with another video, and today we about to get fabulous together with a super quick and easy deep side part swooped ponytail. Alright, let's get into it. So the first step you're gonna do is create your part. So I wanted a deep side part. If you want to do a middle part, you know, just do whatever part you want to do. I'm low-key doing a C part, but as you can see, it's not that much of a C. It's just kind of curved because I didn't want a straight side part. I feel like it just gives it more of that edge, that low-key 90s edge. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So for this style, the best thing to do is actually flat iron your entire head. But y'all already know your girl is mad lazy when it comes to these things and always in a rush because I had to leave. I finished this entire style in about 30 minutes and I did not have one more minute to spare. So I decided to just flat iron the areas that were going to be showing. But again, I would suggest doing your whole head because you would just get a sleeker look and you won't have that contrast of different textures. But I mean, if you're in a rush, it's not going to kill you if you just do what I did. So I did a really, really light flat iron. I know it's kind of steaming there, but it was really light. Like, it's not that serious. As you can see, my hair's not even coming out that straight. So I did it for the front, and I did it in one layer at the back, and the areas behind my ears, just so that it covers the whole perimeter of my head, just to get that, you know, that sleek appearance. So I am a fan of that look where they leave two straight hairs at the side. It's only after I realized I should have left like a bigger section out, but you could do that if you want to. It's totally optional. So now we're gonna start putting in our beeswax. I'm also gonna be mixing it in with another edge control, which you'll see later on. But listen, when it comes to this style, it is all about layering. I should call this the layer tutorial, but I won't because y'all ain't gonna click the video because you're gonna be confused. Right there, I showed you the second edge control that I use, which is from Jam, the Shine and something. Y'all just read it. You know what I'm talking about. It's going to be in the description box below, so make sure you click those links and make your purchases down there on Amazon if you need to. Anyway, I mixed those two edge controls or whatever they're called, and then I slicked down my hair. And like I said, it's all about layering. So make sure that you part your hair into sections, especially the areas that you did not flat iron. If you're gonna go the lazy route like me, just put a whole bunch of product. Don't be scared. If it looks white, don't freak out. I use this spritz spray at the back, but I stopped using it because I don't really like this spritz spray. It's not the pump it up spritz, it's something else, but I don't like this spray. It doesn't work. Anyway, like I said, layers upon layers upon layers. You section your hair, you put your edge control, brush, repeat. Sometimes I change it up and I use a comb, but it's literally that over and over and over again. And once you get yourself into a rhythm, you go faster. Oh, and don't do that thing that I just did there where I accidentally made a part and that part I didn't brush out, so it kind of just stayed there, and when I noticed it, it was too late because my hair was frozen in the place. So I didn't really like that extra part going horizontally, but it was an accident and I can fix it, and it doesn't look terrible. But be careful with that. Just don't do that. That was not intentional, if you were wondering. Anyway, then I go in with my handy dandy edge brush, which I love, slick down my hair, then I go in with a comb. And then we're done, bro. We just put that in a ponytail. Oh, we're not done. Sorry, I lied. We take the Got To Be spray and get a blow dryer and just freeze that all in there to make sure that it's not moving. Because I was actually going to a dance class after this, which was pretty dumb. Like, I did not think this through. Just don't do this style before you go and sweat, all right? Okay, guys, so the hair I'm going to be using for the extension today is from Sunber, and it's their Brazilian straight hair. Already it feels so nice. So this is their 20-inch bundle, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a hairpin through it like this. I'm gonna keep it double wefted and push it through my bun so it doesn't juke up my head. And just wrap it around. So after wrapping the weave around my bun, I just take a piece of the hair from the back and wrap it around, secure it with a pin, and we are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. Super special shout out to our featured subscriber of the day. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And if you would like to be featured in the next video, make sure you're one of the first to comment down below. And of course, you do that by subscribing to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.